My name is Elvin and I'm from Kissimmee, Florida. Well, I'm in the military. I travel quite a bit throughout the states, and I just like to look at properties. I've seen how many people have gained profit from doing properties. I've had several rentals and just my own properties I've had and sold throughout the years. When I first saw Clever, I believe it was a video on either Instagram, and I heard Cody talking about how Clever Investor and what their mission was, or their intent of teaching people on how to do the investment part of investing into real estate. So I was kind of interested in the way he projected that, and how he how he was saying, we'll take you through the steps, because a lot of the trainings I've heard before is, they give you videos, here you go, is the paperwork, and you figure it out. So the part of taking you through the steps and doing the one-on-one like we're doing here at the labs is definitely something that I was looking for. Been with Clever, I want to say for a few weeks now, maybe a month. It's been a great experience, because I just had my mentor goes through things thoroughly, and he's also asking me questions, knowing that a lot of people have gone through the same that I'm going, having the fear of calling, or having the fear of just going out there and trying to get deals. So they know where I stand, where they've probably been where I'm at now. So it's helpful to know that they've gone through the same issues and situations that I'm going through, to get my foot on my right foot out front, and just getting on the first step to making deals and doing this investment business. What I've learned is that even though there's many investors and many real estate, a lot of people doing real estate, there's always business for everyone. Whether it's within your own state, within your own city, or outside of the city. I mean, there's always somewhere where you can find business to do and make a deal on a property. Well, my why is because I wanted to set a legacy for my family. I have 2 kids, and also, working a 9-to-5 job. It's just, it takes a lot of time out of your day. I just thought of doing investment would be something where I can set my own hours, set my own goals, and just use the extra time to do what I want, is to spend time with my family, travel and do other things like that. And at the same time, when I travel, I can still do the business, I can still work, and I can still produce. I would say that it's a great opportunity. It'll help you kind of manage that time that you need to start your investment business, start investing, get knowledge on what the different things that are involved with investing, different acronyms that are used, and also it helps you with products that allow you to get that information that is needed to know what kind of property and kind of investment you want to actually do.